I know you guys are super excited to see me try this out. But before I go ahead and try this, I just want to show you guys what I use for the marinade. So you guys know that I use the G. Hudges barbecue sauce. There's sugar-free barbecue sauce when I make my barbecue wings. I will leave in the card a video where I did a recipe on barbecue wings and macaroni salad. So go ahead and click that if you want to look for more keto recipes. So this one is the sugar-free teriyaki marinade. Now I did try this prior to putting it into my chicken, and it is good. It's a little bit on the watery side, as you guys can see, and it's not thick. It doesn't have that kind of like, you know, sugary type of teriyaki taste, but it still works for being sugar-free and keto friendly. So I did go ahead with my Cho Zero maple syrup. Now this one is 1 net carb per serving, so I just drizzled this on the chicken and everything, just to kind of amplify the sugar taste, if you know what I mean. I'll leave that down below if you guys want to go ahead and buy the syrup. It's absolutely good. Tastes just like regular syrup, so ain't nothing different about that syrup. It's just keto friendly. So this product is really good, guys. The nutritional facts on the back, it's for 1 tablespoon is 1 net carb, so it's really nothing. So I did go ahead and put this into the chicken, stirred it up with the cabbage, and did fried rice. The fried rice, I did salt, pepper, onion powder, avocado oil, because avocado oil, if you put it, it fries up very fast. So if you want to make fried rice with cauliflower, use avocado oil because it heats fast and it fries things up really quickly. So that's what I did, guys. So let's try. So let me show you guys close up what it looks like first of all, because I always have to do that so you guys get like the real juicy tea. So let's see if it focuses. There we go. So you guys can see that right there. I did go ahead and drizzle like some sesame seeds on top, trying to be real fancy or whatever, but it looks so good. And you guys can see the cauliflower rice is like, you know, like little rice kernels. It's like dried up enough, not sticky or anything, and it's just gonna go so well. Can y'all see this? Like, come on, baby. Really? So let me go ahead and try this out. Try not to be as greedy on camera, but whatever. So let's try just the chicken and some of the cabbage. Okay, straight off the bat, tastes like chicken teriyaki. Now I was a little bit concerned that the cauliflower rice wasn't gonna be a hit, but it actually is pretty good. It's actually pretty good, guys. So this, if you want to add like some carrots to it, to really give you kind of like that chicken teriyaki you get at the mall. You know when you go to the mall, you get like that $5 plate of the chicken teriyaki with the white rice, and they always overdo the white rice. If you were to add carrots in this, it would give you like the same kind of like feel of that. But this is actually really, like really good. Like very spot on, guys. And I use chicken tenderloins to make the chicken, like chicken breast. And this is spot on, like it's really good. And the rice itself actually tastes like rice. It has more of a rice feel to it, so it's pretty good, guys. So I'm gonna go with, this is a winner, so I'll leave all the ingredients down below, guys. Hopefully this was an easy video. If you're struggling to find like fun recipes during this time especially, stay safe, wash your hands, guys. Keep that in mind. But if you're struggling to find some recipes and you have these things in your pantry, go ahead and make yourself some cauliflower, well, chicken teriyaki with fried rice. That's what we'll call it. So guys, that basically ends today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.